You have to read the receipt to my friends.
You should do.
No. Thank you. Do it for me. So for doing what? What are we?
For making oatmeal cookies. So a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of margarine, half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla, a cup of oats, a 4th teaspoon of salt, and a 3rd cup of brown sugar.
Let's get
Baby,
Say again.
flour.
Okay. Baking powder.
And baking soda.
Okay.
Is it recording? No.
Butter and sugar.
It was upside down.
Here it was.
Add dry ingredients.
Oh.
Alright, flour. Do you want to do that? I'll do the...
Yeah. How much flour? 1 cup.
Frank.
Take a look. 5
Frank, Abby, sit. Who's having good? Frank? What you added?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. As you can see, we made a mess.
No, it's dead.
Yeah, we did. Look at the table. So I've just put some of these on the pan.
You need the...
Oh yeah. Cookie scooper. Wow! So funny.
We're still lying.
Yours? Let us know, let us know, let us know. Just this cookie. Take the camera, show what you're doing. No, you have to take the camera.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
I took a candy cane, God, that voice back, and I put it in a baggie, and I'm going to go like this and smash it.
Candy cane on the top. And Frank! Okay. So now they are ready.
No, they're not.
Why?
You have to put them on the cooler.
Okay.
Now they're ready. No, they're not.
We have to put them here.